could do something like that in the bass.
That's kind of almost maybe too far.
Yeah,
It's
I
kind of
like that.
sneakier.
I like that.
That's a kind of a nice shape. Anyway,
Mhm.
maybe come up with a beat
I
for this.
love that.
Great,
That
but-
could be the B, or that could be the
Oh,
answer, sort of.
Cool.
Or like, yeah, maybe.
Maybe, yeah, and then, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Right, like it doesn't go all the way. Yeah, like it stays in the box on the first half.
Yeah.
That's sick. Yeah. Cool. Will you remember that?
I'm gonna record it.
Cool.
I will definitely not remember it. Guaranteed not to.
Sick. I can't hear it yet, and I can't hear the rhythmic world yet.
You're feeling the one yet with that?
Dude, I think
that
of
way,
it as chikunk, like,
if you think of it as like,
oh,
for at least a moment, right?
uh-huh.
You wanna learn it real quick?
So it's chiki boom boo doo 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 doo.
Got it. You got it. Y'all can start getting into the cans, I'd say, and start getting comfortable. I want to move these mics in around Lewis.
Spéir Rua,
That's crazy. It's really crazy that all the percussion we're hearing is just Lewis sitting at
I know.
a
The
drum
kick drum
and
with
a
the-
kick drum
with the guitar.
That's so
It's such a great sound. It's so.